Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Today I got a 2006 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic that I want to show you. 2006 has got the 96-inch motor, got the 5-speed transmission. This bike's vivid black and chrome. Got a few miles on it, but it looks like it's in pretty good shape. A decent tire up front. A few little signs of wear on it. It's kind of dusty out here today, a lot of pollen, so it's kind of hard to see things. But just tiny little signs there of some minor rock pecks on that front fender. Up here on the fairing, same thing, just minor little sign where a pebble may have flown up and just put a little peck on that windshield. Fairing. There's a little spot there and a little dull spot here, some sun fading. Got upgraded hand grips. That's a drink holder there, a little live to ride action going on the filler cap. AM, FM, CD player, CB radio, electronic cruise control over here on this side. Bike qualifies for some excellent extended warranties and finance options. I think you can get a 3-year warranty on this bike. Full onboard electronics. It's got low miles for an 06. It's got 17,036 miles on it. Sounds real good. Got upgraded floorboards and pedals with matching passenger floorboards, fully adjustable highway pegs. Got a rider backrest on it here. Got the fish tip mufflers. Good tire on the rear. 06. It's just got a few little signs of just normal wear on it. Some little tiny rubs and a little scratch or two around. I'd ride it. Fuel injected. Here on the tour pack, you can see there's some little marks, a couple little marks there. Tour pack looks good. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. Sign or two here on the bag. Scratch here on the tank. Looks like a tiny little peck there on the seat. Got the lower leg fairings. With some storage in there, you can store some goodies in there. Got a little rub right in here. Like you may have got a little too close to something. Maybe leaned it over on something. Not bad at all. You can see our complete inventory online at TexasBestUsedMotorcycles.com. It's like a little dull spot there that might buff out. Maybe something detail shop missed. Put it through our shop and checked it out. So she's ready to ride. We take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world. So it'll be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.